thundering out. Yeah, it is. You're looking out there like you want to go out, but you won't. Even though you did your bells. Oh, jeez. You rang them twice. Right? Are you gonna go out? Are you both gonna go out? Huh? Hey, get out of there. Oh. So if I open the door, are you gonna go out? Kahlua? Well, come on. Are you gonna go? Huh? That's what it looks like outside here. And she won't go out, so I don't know why she uses her bells. This is about as far as she goes when it's raining. She is such a princess. Windsor, on the other hand, he doesn't care, right, Doodles? Windsor, you don't care it's raining out. You'll go out. But yep, that's what it looks like.